Dear students, I am Ravi Kumavi, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Economic Technology. Today we'll have problem on isometric projection, the combination of cone and hemisphere. Let us consider a problem hemisphere of dia 40 is supported coaxially on the vertex of a cone of base dia 60 mm and axis length 50 mm. The flat circular face of the hemisphere is facing upside. Draw the isometric projection of combination of the solids. Here you have two combinations. One will be a circular lamina cone of dia 60. Okay, above cone you are going to place a hemisphere. The flat circular face of the hemisphere facing upside, and dia of the hemisphere will be 40, and dia of the cone will be 60, and height of the cone will be 50 mm. Okay, this is the isometric projection of these two combinations. How to draw this one using isometric sketch sheet? Let us go to isometric sketch sheet. Okay, in ISO sheet, how to draw this one? Okay, let us have to first have to draw the circle. Okay, base circle cone will be 60. I'll divide this into 4 equal parts. Okay, I call this and P, Q, R, S. Okay, the center A, B, C, D. Okay, circle. So it will be all circles in isometric look like ellipse. All circles in isometric look like ellipse, whether hemisphere or cone or cylinder. Okay, all circles should be hemisphere. All vertical line in the isometric should be vertical only. All inclined edges, horizontal inclined edges will be inclined to 30-degree axis line. Okay, so now first we'll construct cone base dia. Okay, cone base dia, that will be, I zoom this little bit this area by using pencil scale. How to? Okay, now we'll go to line command. Now we now select visible line. Okay, I'll start from here. Okay, 60 square. Okay, first from P from this point. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 30, 40, 50, 60. I'll construct bottom side. Then from this side, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, I started from point Q here. From P to Q 60 I taken, from P to S I taken 60. Again from here S to R 60. In join this. Now you constructed a square slat. Okay. Construct a square. This square PQRS I constructed. That is bottom of the any cylinder. There will be same side. That radius dia of this circle. It comes as a square of 30. First you construct for all circles square. Now you are in this square. You are going to construct ellipse because I told all circles should be look like ellipse in isometric. How to construct? I start from P. Okay, this is behind P. Okay, I start from P. Okay, now you can take this as P. Says Q. Says R. Says S. This is not required. If you want, you can do it. So I start from PQRS. This will be A. This will be your B. This will be your C. This will be your D. Okay. Now I'll start from, I'll go to line command. I'll take a normal line. normal line. That means in your scale, like a normal scale pencil, first you construct square box in iso sheet, then mark it a PQRS. I'll start from P. So now to look, construct ellipse. P join P to midpoint of the opposite side C. Then from P to midpoint of opposite side D. From other end R to A in the midpoint of the opposite side. Other side R to B. Join this. Okay, it will be intersect at some particular point. Go to arc by center point. That means your scheme take compass from this center, measure this radius, draw an arc with this center, measure this radius, draw an arc, then with this center, take P to D as a radius, draw an arc, take R to B as a radius, or R to A has a radius. Okay, now you take R2, go to R command, R to A as a radius, construct. And similarly, P to D, go to R center point. Okay, now constructed ellipse. You got ellipse. First, you draw a square box. From this end to midpoint, draw a line, midpoint to opposite side. From here to P to C, midpoint of the opposite. From R to A, midpoint of the other side, R to B. Once you draw this one, okay, you will have intersection point 1 here, other intersection point 1. From this point, take this radius in the compass, draw an arc. This point, take this radius or this radius, draw an arc. From this point, take this radius or this radius, draw an arc. From this point, take this radius or this radius, draw an arc. You will get ellipse. Once you got the ellipse, locate the center. From this center, height of the axis will be, axis of the cone height will be 50 mm. From here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, height of the axis height of the cone will be 50 mm. Okay, then go to line command, take as visible line from this end. Okay, here switch on your tangent arc from this end to, and you see the symbol, tangent arc symbol, don't join here. Okay, join to tangent arc symbol from other end to tangent arc of this side. Okay, and go to select line, select this, and this, and this, make it visible line. Okay, now you have constructed the square box, and also select all square box, because square what you have constructed be only to construct ellipse, that you make it as a normal line. Normal line. Okay, construction area, construction lines. Okay, once you know this one is over, next you have to, above this you have to place a hemisphere. Okay, you have to, above this you have to place a hemisphere, above this. So to construct hemisphere, zoom this area. Hemisphere dia will be 40 mm. Okay, 40 means radius will be 20. Take line command from this side 20. From this bottom side to here 20 radius. Take 10, 20, ISO 20. Okay, with this center you have to construct the square box. Okay, again you have a circle of 40. Again you have to construct 40 square. Similarly, how you are done here, for all cylinders, you have to construct first square, then you have to construct ellipse. From this point, go this side 20, one, two boxes. From this side, 10, 20, two boxes. From this side, 10, 20, two boxes. From this side, 10, 20, two boxes. Okay, four boxes. Okay, then little bit you can zoom if you feel very small. You construct square, zoom this area. Okay, trim this with the center point. Go to line command. 20, 20, 20, 20. Construct, go to 20, total 40, this side 40, 40. Now in pencil scale, you draw along with strategic line. Okay, ultimately we construct a square box. Okay, once you construct square box, similarly you have to construct ellipse. How to construct ellipse? Go to R. Okay, from here to midpoint of the opposite side. First you draw normal line, go to line command. From here to midpoint of the opposite side. Similarly, from here to here, midpoint of the opposite side. From here to here, midpoint of the opposite side. From here to here, midpoint of the opposite side. Once you construct, again you will get two intersection for 40 square. Similarly, bottom side you have constructed 60 square. Similarly, you have to construct here for 40 square with the center. You have taken 20 this side, 20 this side, 20 this side, 20, and then 20, 20, 40, 40, 40. Okay, now you have constructed, then go to arc here. You have to construct the ellipse in the square box. Take this and this radius. Okay, take this radius. Take this from here to here, this radius. Take this radius. You get approximate drawing here. We got the ellipse here. You get top side ellipse will be visible. Select this line. Hold shift. This circle visible. This visible. This also visible. This also visible. Make it visible. Okay. So now we have constructed top hemisphere circle. Okay. Now we have to construct bottom outer hemisphere outer radius. This hemisphere outer radius. How to construct that? You have to total here. To construct outer radius, you have to take actual. Now here, take from here, go to line command. From here, visible line, normal line. From the center point, take 20 as a radius. Now go to arc by center point, 3 points. Select point, other point here, come to other point. You can construct, take length of the end, 20. You have to construct like this. Select this. This length from here, you have to take 20 radius, actual 20. This radius, you have to take outer radius of the hemisphere, and sphere should be actual radius. Take from here to here actual radius, construct a circle in a manual drawing. Till this point you stop it, and freehand you can adjust here. Stop it here and freehand you can adjust here. Okay, by freehand sketch. Now we can select this and make it visible. Okay, now using pencil dark it. Now I constructed hemisphere on the top side of the top side of the cone. And one important thing, you have to little bit zoom this area. Trim this portion, is not visible. Inside cone, this is not visible. Trim this area. And hit command. Zoom this area. This also you can trim it. Okay, this will be how you are going to construct a cone with hemisphere. Above cone, you are going to construct hemisphere. This will be what similarly you are constructed using isosketch. In isosketch, simple way, first you construct a base cone of the dia because you have to construct ellipse. Construct for 60 square. Inside that, we join this, you'll get intersection point. Take that radius, cut in half, take this radius, cut in half. From here, take this radius, cut in half. Then take this cut in half, you'll get ellipse. Similarly, take the height with that center, 50 mm center. Take 20 this side, 20 this side, 20 this side, 20. Make a square box of 40 of this circle. Okay, construct ellipse in that circle with similar way. And then draw out a radius with actual radius. This should be take actual radius. Okay, and while constructing cone, you have to take tangent arc here. Okay, so similarly, now we are constructed using how to construct using manual drawing. So similarly, you can construct how to using software. Using software. Using software. Now go to command, line command. First you construct 40, 60 for square of 60 and then construct ellipse. 60 enter 30, 60 enter 150, 60 enter minus 150, fine. Then we zoom this area. Okay, now constructed square 60 square. On the 60 square, you have to construct ellipse because circle dia will be 60. 60 square you have to construct. In that you have to construct ellipse. How to construct ellipse? Now go to normal line. Center point, midpoint of the opposite side. From the other end to the midpoint of this side. From other end to midpoint of this side. From here, midpoint of this side. Okay. Now construct, go to arc by center point. Take this radius. Similarly, take this radius. And take this radius. Take this radius. Okay, then join center line. Moving normal line. Look at the center. Right of the cone it is 60, 50 mm. Enter 50, enter. Okay, then go to select this line, this arc. This one. Make this line as visible line. Okay, then select this, This is all construction. You have to construct with normal line because it will be projection. Only for construction purpose, you have to make it as a normal line or projection line. I have taken here normal. Now go to line command. Okay, from this end to tangent or your tangent or when you get the tangent symbol, this symbol. Similarly, so once you got this tangent symbol, you can draw it. This you have to take select. So this will be how to take visible line. Make it visible line. Once you draw this one, okay, above the cone you have to place this hemisphere. First you locate the center of the hemisphere from here to here 20 mm. Take ISO or actual length 20 mm from here to here 20. Okay. Then before constructing this, okay, hemisphere, okay, construct square box. Okay, at the top this side you construct the square box because top side you have square sphere of 40 dia, 40 sphere dia. So construct 40 square. Similarly, how you have constructed 60 square and you constructed ellipse. Similarly, construct 40 square from this point and then construct ellipse. From here, draw because from midpoint 20, enter 30. Similarly, take this line as a normal line. Then go to here, set the same 20 by minus 150, 20 by minus 30, 20 by minus 20 by 150. Now make a square box. $20 by 150. Then join this side parallel to this 40. Parallel to this 40. From here 40. Then join this. Construct a square box with the center point 20 this side, 20 this side, 20 this side. This line you draw with along 30-degree line. Okay. Then now go to line line command. Go to normal line from this end to midpoint of this side, from this end to midpoint of this side, from other end to midpoint of this side, and other end to midpoint of this side. Once you draw midpoint lines, take this as a radius. Yeah, from midpoint you have taken center point. Now you go to arc by center point. Take this radius. It will zoom this area. Go to arc by center point. Take this as a radius area. Take the center, take this radius. Take this as a radius. Take this as a radius. Construct ellipse. Once you construct ellipse, you have to make this as visible line because top circle will be visible. Make it visible. Once you draw this one, okay, now from center point, Okay, now we open fit command. Now we have drawn actual radius. Okay, for that what you have to do here, now we have to convert this into iso length, because previous problem you are done with iso, previous step you are done with the normal iso sheet, but it will be here normal sheet A4 size. You have to convert whole drawing to reduce to iso length. Go to scale, type here 0.816, 0.816, and it will be reduced to iso length. Paste here. Now you have constructed isosphere. Now outer radius of this radius. Okay, what you have to do here? It will be zoom this area. Okay, from here go to line command, 20 mm. Actual radius. You have to take 20 actual length. Then go to arc by century point. Select descent. Select descent and other end of the 20th. Okay. When you draw this radius, should be actual radius. Sphere for hemisphere, this radius should be actual radius. Outer radius should be actual radius. Okay. Now this is how you are going to construct using SolidJet software. First you construct base circle for 60 square. Construct ellipse inside that. Then draw the cone from the point midpoint. Take 20 mm radius, that is hemisphere radius. With descent radius, take 20, 20 this side, 20 this side, 20. Make a square box. Construct ellipse with the center. I will convert this into iso length. And from here to here, take 20 mm. Take this as a arc by 3 point. Draw an arc. Okay, in manual drawing also you have to do with a freehand sketch. Okay, this is how you are going to construct by using SolidJet software. Any doubt or clarification, you contact through WhatsApp or mail. Thank you.